Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and I have here Silas. Where's Silas? Oh, right here. What are we doing today?
Wait, giant egg!
Yeah, we're gonna open a giant egg. That's what you meant. So today we got this mystery Mega-Egga, and we're gonna open this for you guys and review what's inside, right, Silas?
Yeah. And what
Right.
is it? It's the egg.
Yeah, it's kind of like Easter egg. Even though Easter egg's over, we're still having fun opening eggs, I guess, and enjoying the stuff that's inside. So we found this at Target, and it says there's some toy figures and collectibles inside. It's really a mystery egg. It is, and as seen on YouTube, never seen on YouTube to be honest. The ultimate gift for any occasion. So for this occasion, we're gonna share this with you guys. The ultimate mystery. Unbox a variety of mystery packs. All right, so guaranteed plushie. All right, we like plushies in every Mega-Egga. So without further ado, let's get into it, guys. All right. All right, so you ready?
Yeah.
It's gonna be exciting.
Do
you know what's inside?
Yeah.
You want to guess? What do you think is inside the giant egg here? Inside
Surprise.
A surprise? What kind of surprise?
Dinosaur.
Maybe dinosaur. We might get dinosaur. Maybe Pokemon. Maybe some random little toys, right? Minecraft or Roblox or Rubik's Cube, right, Silas?
Roblox.
Yeah, or Roblox. So that's gonna be exciting. Here we go, everyone. Are you ready? Are you ready, Silas? Let's go. Open from the back. All right. All right. First surprise is a Bob's Burger. Heck yeah! And it's a collector's clip. Never seen it before, but oh yeah, it's a clip. So yeah, it comes with like a keychain clip,
Wow.
and you can kind of hook it on your book bag or your binder or your key. So that's pretty cool. What's next, Silas?
This one. Wow.
Whoa! Silas is pulling a giant box from here. Whoa! It's garden wall plush clips on. Another clip on. That's pretty cool, you guys.
This for you.
All right. Oh, and he got a plushie. Star Wars plushie, dude. Look. Yes. Oh man, this is so cool. It's really nice and soft, right? Is it soft?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice and soft.
Wow.
What'd you get? Ooh, who's that? Oh, Yu-Gi-Oh! We got Yu-Gi-Oh!
Oh, you're going to
Kaiba! Sweet! Oh man, this is so cool. I never thought such things like this existed, but this is so cool. I love Yu-Gi-Oh! So.
Mickey Mouse.
Oh, Minnie Mouse!
Minnie Mouse.
Dang, look at these cool soft plushies, man. They're really soft to skin, right? Soft, right? Yeah, Minnie Mouse, so cool. Oh my god, there's a ton of stuff here. Another clip on here. Bob's Burger. So we got two of that. Alright, close your eyes, reach one. Grab one. Okay, grab one. See what we get.
Whoa!
Whoa, Frozen! Frozen, what is this? Micro light? Oh, it's like squeeze me? Oh, look! It becomes a light. That's cool. Look, you touch his head. It lights up. That's cool. Alright, see what I get. Collect them all. Retros caps. 2 Pogs, 2 Metal Slammer. Storage 2. Oh, okay. I vividly remember these, but don't fully remember. Let's open it. Should we open this? Yeah. Should we open this, honey?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's open it. I'm just curious. So let's check it out, guys. Let me share this with you guys. Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, I remember these back in the days when I was a kid. It's collectible. These are so cool, dude. So it's like it's like cardboard tokens. Yeah, these are cool. Oh, look at that side. Look, so, dude, seriously, this is definitely bringing back childhood. These are definitely cool, man. I used to collect these back in the 90s, like for serious. Really cool, man. I will definitely post some of these on Instagram for you guys to kind of check out, but this one is not cardboard. The rest are cardboard paper. And a gold one. What'd you get? Oh, backpack hanger. More backpack hanger. Yeah. You want to open it? See what you get? Here, rip it right here. So rip this. Rip it open. Yep. Oh, there's a Pikachu? Oh, yeah. It looks like there's a Pikachu in here.
Oh.
All right, grab it. Let's see what you get, buddy.
Whoa.
Whoa! Oh, look at that. That is Zenyatta.
Oh, it's not.
So you could definitely hang this on your key or on your phone or your backpack. That's pretty cool.
Well, Daddy, you guys are.
Oh, look, this guy's pretty cool. A Squish Me.
Yes,
Hello,
it's-
Senrio. Okay.
Ooh.
Wow, look at this. This one is called. It's not a Pikachu. Pom Pom Purin. Pom Pom Purin. So it's the family of the Hello Kitty. So this is really sweet, man. This is cute.
Daddy,
All right, buddy, grab some more, buddy. There's so much stuff in here, you guys.
Whoa.
Wow, what did you get here? Mini corny chips. Oh, look, it's fire. Is this even edible? I don't think so. But this is pretty interesting.
Wow.
Oh, something giant here, you guys. Looks like a book. What the heck? Oh, it's an adult coloring book. Anime. Dang, look at this. This is for to color. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, definitely real cool. You can definitely use marker to color this.
Whoa.
A bunch of anime stuff here, you guys.
Cat.
Wow. And more Hello Kitty. I remember back in the days when Hello Kitty was really popular. But it's a little squishy here. It's a nice discussion, man. It's like therapeutic. Almost. More Hello Kitty. Dang, we got a lot of Hello Kitty. Look at that.
Ah.
That's nice, huh?
Yeah.
That's nice. Are you hungry? Oh, I thought it was a bag of chips. It's not. It's more a hang on.
I know.
More backpack hangers. All right. Let's see what you get.
Wow.
Another one. Another one. DJ Cap. Okay. What you get? Ooh, My Little Pony. My Little Pony. This is cute. Very tiny. Is this for? This is Pop. Okay.
Wow.
My Little Pony Pop. I'm not quite sure what that is. Oh, you stick it on and it pops. Oh, that's pretty fancy.
You got the egg.
Okay, got more Squish Me. These are making me hungry, actually.
You got egg.
Yeah. Oh, it is an egg. Yeah, guys, it's a little egg yolk, but it's really cute. All right, we got two more. What is it?
Wow.
Fidget spinner. Silas never actually owned a fidget spinner, and yeah, I know it's kind of like outdated, but who cares, man? We got two. We got two. One for you, one for me. Let's open one of these.
I can.
Here, I'm opening this one. Here, I can show you this one. Whoa. Look at that, guys. Who doesn't miss the fidget spinner? I know I do. That's pretty cool. But yeah, that's it, guys. That is it. There's so much stuff on here. Comment down below if there's something that you're definitely looking for. We will send it to you. So, yeah, thanks for watching. I know it's just our first time opening a Mega-Egga. We thought it was really cool. We bought this back in Easter here, and just thought we share this with you guys. And there's some stuff that we haven't opened. If you guys really wanna get your hands on one, just let us know, and we'll send it to you guys for sure.
Which one's your favorite, Silas?
So, Silas, which one's your favorite?
Egg?
Which one's your favorite toy from the egg? The fidget spinner?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Sila likes the fidget spinner. I definitely like these caps. I think it just brings back childhood and a lot of memory. Really fun to kind of just have them. The Squish Me are really cute. So we got two fidget spinner, more clip-ons. So a lot of clip-ons. And from these Mega-Egga, you definitely get some random stuff, but we've never seen it before, so we thought we'd share that with you guys. And it's definitely fun. So family will really enjoy this. So be sure to like and subscribe and follow us on Snapchat and Instagram at Silasandcrimson, and we will see you soon. All right, say we will see you soon.
See you soon.
All right.